Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial as I show you how I play my grandson's favorite song, Baby Shark, on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we're not going to waste any time getting into this, so let's roll the tape. We'll start with the intro, in which we'll be playing this. That's the sound of an approaching shark in the movies. We'll start with the D string and play open, fret 1. Again. We'll play that again a little faster. Then we'll move to the G string and play it even faster. That means the shark is closing in. So here's the entire thing. Now we can start our song. Now it's time to move to the chords. Here's the chords we'll need. A G, a C chord, an E minor, and a D chord. Those chords will get us through the first half of the song. Here's how we'll strum the chords. For the intro, we'll be strumming a quick down, up, down, like this. That's G, C, E minor, then D. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our intro. Now for each member of the shark family, we'll have a different strumming pattern. For Baby Shark, we'll just play a down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For Mommy Shark, we'll play a down-up strumming pattern like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Now, for Daddy Shark and the rest of the shark family, we'll play this strumming pattern. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down. So we had a down, up, down on G, a down, up, down on C, a down, up, down on E minor, and a down, up, down, down on D. Here we go again. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down. Now when we get to the Runaway part of the song, we're going to have to do some new chords because the song modulates by 1/2 step. We're going to go from the key of G to the key of G sharp, and we're going to have to play a chord up here. Here's the 4 chords we'll need to know for the modulation. G sharp, and we're playing G sharp by holding down the B and high E string at fret 4, the G string at fret 5, and the D string at fret 6. We'll make a C sharp by just taking the ring finger and laying it down and playing these 3 strings. That's C sharp. We'll play a D sharp by raising that by 2 frets. We'll play an F minor chord by going back to our G sharp and placing the little finger on the B string at fret 6. And this is our F minor. Now for the Runaway part, we'll need to pick up the tempo a little bit, and we'll play this. So that was G sharp, C sharp, F minor, D sharp, and we're going to hit that again. Next is Safe at Last, and for Safe at Last we'll just do down strums on those same chords. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last. And now for the ending. It's the end. Do 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 do. Goes something like this. So for that, we went to G sharp, down, up, down, C sharp, down, up, down, F minor, down, up, down on the D sharp, and then back to G sharp, and then our little riff that goes like this. And for that riff, we're playing the A string at fret 6, 8, 6, 8, and end on 6 on the D string. So that's once more. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end, do 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 do. It's the end. Well, all right, my friends. That's how we're going to play Baby Shark on acoustic guitar for the children. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. It's the end. It's the end. It's the end. It's the end.